beautiful, undeniable curb appeal is defined by amazing accents and warm, charming character. From rustic to refined, coastal to craftsman, the right exterior details simply take a home to the next level. Portsmouth Shake and Shingles Siding is rich with everything you could wish for in a main or accent siding, with a wide range of solid colors, innovative weathered and woodland colors, engineered with deep textures and low-maintenance features. Portsmouth Shake and Shingles Siding never need painting and are manufactured to withstand all weather elements. Choose from beautiful styles like the 7-inch and 9-inch hand-split shakes in a single course design that features realistic, subtle gaps between the courses, similar to cedar shake. Beyond the beauty, the single course shake has other advantages. At nearly 8 feet in length, our single course shake installs faster and easier. And as demonstrated here, the geometry of a gable roof means that each angled cut on a single course shake will have significantly less waste than a corresponding double course shake during installation. Elegant, quaint, and versatile for all accent areas of your exterior, Portsmouth Shake and Shingles Siding not only delivers low-maintenance luxury and authentic looks, it also saves time during installation and yields less install waste. A perfect combination of beautiful looks, amazing performance, low maintenance, and solid value. Ask your contractor about Portsmouth Shake and Shingles today, or visit royalbuildingproducts.com for more information.